What if I told you that your life is being shaped by what you focus on? And right now, your focus is being hijacked. Think about it. How much of your day is spent scrolling through social media, watching other people's lives, comparing, feeling like you're missing out? Social media, news, other people's opinions, they all fight for your attention. And whatever you focus on, you invite into your life. Focus is like a magnet. It amplifies whatever you give your attention to. Feel lack? You get more lack. Feel gratitude? You attract more to be grateful for. But here's the thing. Most people don't even realize where their focus is. It's running on autopilot. So how do you know what you're really focusing on? Simple. Look at your emotions. They are your feedback system. Your feelings reveal the quality of your focus. Feeling anxious, frustrated, or jealous, that's a sign your attention is locked onto what you don't have. Feeling excited, inspired, or grateful, that means your focus is aligned with growth and possibility. So here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, track your focus. Pay attention to what you consume. What are you feeding your mind? What kind of thoughts are you reinforcing? Every time you catch yourself focusing on something negative, pause, shift, redirect. Because where focus goes, energy flows. And where energy flows, your life grows. Choose wisely.